Hello and welcome back to Shoebox Tech. Today I decided to replace my some 20-year-old hi-fi system that was as big as a house with a small powered audio amplifier. So this is it here. It's a AK370 12 volt with 2 channels, 20 watts and 20 watts, with a small LCD display. Also contains Bluetooth, FM radio, USB, even a memory card adapter, and a small remote control. So to start off, I've got these spare speakers left over from a surround sound system. They don't have the correct connection on them, so I'm just going to cut that off and crimp the wires to strip them down and expose them. Twist the edges so I can push them into the back of the amplifier. I do this for all 4 speakers, 2 for the left channel and 2 for the right channel. The amp's supposed to have a load independence of between 4 and 16 ohms with a frequency of 20 Hz and an SNR rating of 90 dB. So it should provide some decent sound and be loud enough to power the speakers. So go ahead and connect a little audio splitter there, stretch out the FM aerial and apply a 12 volt power supply, which is left over from an old laptop that I had. The initial power on goes well, and it actually begins to scan through all the FM channels it can find and all the FM radio stations. Unfortunately, I can't show the audio that I was testing it with due to copyright reasons, but you can be assured it came out really crisp and clear and it did the job perfect. Please like and subscribe for a follow-up video on that. So at this point with the initial test, I decided to move over to my living room TV. I already have a basic soundbar there, but I hoped this would replace that soundbar with higher quality audio. But for some reason it didn't work. The TV just didn't seem to push out enough volume. So I've moved over to my PC desk, where I've already got another 4 separate speakers set up, 2 in the living room, 2 in the lounge, and these wires are spread out around the room. So these are these white wires here. So I'll go ahead again, connect all these up to the amp, and this is going to be its permanent location. Now I'm going to set this underneath my PC desk. What I'll do then is have the audio input from the PC with my playlists playing through the amp and then into the hole downstairs on the 4 speakers. So like I said earlier, this is to replace an old chunky 20-year-old hi-fi system with a small under the desk amplifier to power the same old 4 speakers. It turned out to be really easy to do. I'd encourage anyone to buy one of these cheap amplifiers, do away with the old hi-fi and keep your old speakers. We've got 1 speaker here in the corner by the fridge, a second just down by the couch, another one behind the living room TV, that's the 3rd speaker, and then again at the back of the other couch. I'm just going to permanently screw it in and connect it to the bottom of the PC desk for its final location. Please like and subscribe. There's lots more videos to come of other smart, cheap, on a shoestring tech videos. Thanks for watching.